break. We have something they don't. Oh sure, they have armies, and they have our bodies. We have our dragons!
They're not what we think they are.
Innocent say I left the check. She was a bad bad, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, say we on red. Crash at my, I think it may be on red. Needless to say, oh, you be leaving a check. She was a bad bad, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, say we on red. Crash at my place, say we on red. Thinking in a bad way, losing your grip.
Peach likes pink, and Princess Daisy likes purple. I like purple too, but my favorite color, guess what mine is?
I'm sorry, what?
Guess what my favorite color is?
Is it green?
Yippee! I love the color green.
I'm not afraid of you now. I'm not afraid of you now. Young and violent, infant and innocent. Baby, both arms cradle me now. Both arms cradle me now. No one really knows you, but we know how sensitive and scared you are. I'm gonna kill you, Dragon. I am a Viking. I swear to God, I should have told you before now. I just take this out on me and be mad at me, but please, just don't hurt Toothless. The dragon. That's what you're worried about. Not the people you almost killed. Just protecting me. He's not dangerous. in your life, would you please just listen to me, my son?
I just want to be one of you guys. I'm a Viking. I'm not one of them. I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. Look up! I'm sorry.
There you go. See? Got it?
Praise be the little me, pay me the little me, praise be I'm no worse enemy.
I'm sitting in the TARDIS now, and I'm going to wind up soon, but not before I make a few strange noises with my mouth. It will go somewhere along the lines of bingle bongle, dingle dangle, yickety doo, yickety da, ping pong, lippy tappy, two time.